When most people hear the word ecology, they think about studying animals or plants. But when we talk about ecology, we don't just talk about the living things, we also talk about the a-living things. So, again, when we say bio means living. If you put an A in front, that means non-living. So we talk about the biotic factors and the abiotic factors, when we talk about environments and ecology. Excuse me. And so, for example, that's my roommate, and he is a biotic factor of my apartment. And he is playing a video game and yelling at it while I'm trying to record a lecture, which would be an abiotic part of my environment. The dirty dishes that he refuses to ever clean, that I always have to end up cleaning instead, and the laundry that he always refuses to finish, those are other abiotic factors of my environment. Sorry, that was random. But this grasshopper, that would be a biotic factor. It's a living thing. And then you have this rabbit. You have this soil here, which is an abiotic factor. Then you have this hand here, which is biotic. Or maybe that's a mushroom. I don't know. I think it's a hand. You have these branches, which are biotic because they are living, but then the ice on them is abiotic. Here you have water falling down from clouds. Here you have and that's abiotic. These flowers, they are biotic. The sun is abiotic. The clouds are abiotic. Here we have mushrooms, and they are biotic. We have grass. So when we study ecology, we study all of these things together. So for example, if I'm studying the ecology of my apartment, I need to not only look at my roommate and my dogs as the living things, I also need to consider the dishes that haven't been done and the laundry that hasn't been done and the noise that is always being created as he plays video games. That is also part of the ecosystem that I'm living in, right? And those two things affect each other. They are interconnected. So for example, my roommate is alive. He is a biotic factor. And he creates dirty dishes. And the effect that has on me, another biotic factor, is it drives me crazy. And so you can see that there's an interconnectivity there between living and non-living things. And ecologists, we study the links between those things and how they affect each other. You can think of ecology as like a game of dominoes, one thing affecting another thing affecting another thing.